Bank Muscat is taking the lead into providing innovative services to customers, let it be private sector organizations or individuals or corporate like governments. And our participation here is basically to showcase what we are doing, to interact with community members to understand exactly how could we take it to the next step into improving the services that we are offering. We have been really focused as a strategy at Bank Muscat to ensure that we are digitalizing all the services that we have. We are witnessing a huge increment in terms of the number of transactions that are happening on our digital channels. Just to give you some perspective, some statistics, we have close to 2 million customers registered on our mobile banking, internet banking. We are seeing the number of transactions are just quadrupling every year. Our POS machines, we have exceeded 43,000 POS machines across Oman, covering every corner in Oman for small to medium to large corporates. We've launched the tap to phone or soft POS, focusing on the smaller segment in the market, as well as delivery services or those who are on the go to receive digital payments. Our payment gateway we've launched 3 years ago, and it's really picking momentum. The what we call Smart Pay solution, which basically integrates the financial system in an organization with what the payment system from our end, and is the whole experience for the users. So the users, when they go to the Smart Pay, they don't really have to identify whether they are using what you call it, a credit card or a debit card, MasterCard, Visa card, a card issued in Oman or issued outside of Oman. The system is smart enough to identify the card by the BIN number. We've recently migrated or upgraded all our accounts into IBAN, which is an internationally recognized classification of the accounts. And we have been taking the lead in terms of remit services that are being offered to customers, specifically in 6 corridors: India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Philippines, Egypt, basically the major corridors. And we've got a very specific dedicated app for remittance instantly to these corridors. We are coming up with a number of innovative solutions to ensure that the services that we are offered or that we are offering to our customers are at ease, are very seamless. Part of what we have introduced recently is stamped bank statement. So they are pre-stamped for those who need these statements for, let's say, a usage at embassies for verification of their accounts details, or for financing at non-banking financial institutions. We've also introduced group payment for small corporate as well as for individuals. So anyone who would like to make any payments, instead of making payment one at a time, they could create a group and be able to send that payment to the group. It has been really famous during Eid. So individuals will create a group for the kids and will do the payment for Eidiya to the kids in a group. We've also introduced the soft token for small enterprises. So recently or now, the smaller enterprises, when they want to complete the transaction on internet banking, they don't really have to carry with them the hard token. They could have an app that they can download on their mobile phone and be able to complete their transactions seamlessly. More than 72% of the services that they get from the branches right now at the palm of their hands. They don't need to go to branches. And we are increasing the number of these services that could be easily accessible to everyone, everywhere. Our slogan or message has always been to serve you better every day. And we really work towards that. We're striving to ensure that our services are reaching out to everyone in the community, let it be individuals or corporates.